And wonderful to see everybody over here. See a lot of familiar faces. Awesome. So, very glad you guys are here to share this evening with us. Every time you try to have something different, as Chetan tried to allude to, and it's an humble attempt to try to do something different. This time around, the Dil Aaj Shayari concept came about because most of us, we have music directors' evenings, Shankar Jagation night, S.D. Burman night, those kind of things. We also have Kishore Kumar night, Falna night, right? So singers also get their view. But usually it's the people behind who have provided the words to these tunes who are usually not remembered. And in fact, I almost urge you to, if you can even see their pictures up there. None of them would be particularly familiar, yet they're all great poets, great lyricists. So the idea today was to sort of give these great poets for the evening. We want to give them their, a little bit of humble tribute to them. For those of you who have attended shows of mine earlier, know that I'm not going to just let you sit and just listen to this. So please feel free to jump in once in a while when the questions are coming up, the trivia coming up. And it has to be a dialogue, which is why I asked for this lights to be up so that I can look at you guys and see into your eyes. Hey, well, let's quickly get started. I know there's enough music which you guys are wanting to hear, so let me just get started with that. But to start off, there are so many different kinds of music which you could be having, different kinds of songs which you could get, right? So the trick was, if you were to just go with the best of every one particular lyricist, you would have had a bit of a problem because शायद एक dimensional show हो जाता. तो इसलिए you try to take different kinds of songs as well, yet wanted to make sure that everybody gets the kind of visibility, if you will, into the poets. So the first one we'll start off with this evening today is a bhajan. And who better to write a bhajan than Shakil Badayuni? Okay, think about it. Who better to compose it than Naushad? Think about that as well. And who better to sing it than Mohammad Rafi? क्या बात है, बहुत अच्छे. Yeah, say ये जो आवाज है, इसने जो और.
Okay, this particular song is from the movie. क्या movie? मेरे महबूब तुझे जो वैसे और फिर बिखरे. वो SLPA का गाना नहीं. So, एक छोटी सी कविता नीचे ये हमारे सुजीव कुमार भाई. Okay, this particular song.
वैसा है कि हसन जयपुरी साहब ने किसी राधा नाम की लड़की से प्यार हो गया था, इश्क हो गया था बचपन में, ऐसा कहते हैं. तो उन्होंने लिखा था, बोल रहा था, बोल सकता होगा कि नहीं. This was a old story which he went around. पता नहीं है, this is legend over the years. वैसे ही ये मेरा प्रेम पत्र पढ़कर तुम नाराज न होना. This was also supposed to have been written by हसन जयपुरी जब उनको प्यार इश्क हुआ था, जब वो भी जवान थे इस जमाने में मेरी तरह. तो वो इसलिए मेरी आवाज में दर्द. तो ये साहब चाहते हैं कि मेरी बेस कम आ जाए. कई लोग जैसे कि ये भजन था ऐसे बिल्कुल बड़े प्यार से जो तालियां बजा रहे हैं. तो दैट वाज ग्रेट. तालियां बजा रहे थे रिकॉर्ड में. तो आप लोग अगर पीछे बैठे हैं जो तालियां नहीं बजा सकते, कोई बात नहीं. अगर आपको चाहिए तो थोड़ा लाइट कम कर देता हूँ. यानी आपको मेरी आवाज सुनो. कोई है क्या? जरा लाइट हल्का सा केबल लाइट. लेकिन क्या है कि ये जो इश्क मोहब्बत है आपकी, आपकी एक्सप्रेशन देखने के जो मेरे बड़े भैया यहाँ पे बैठे हैं जो अगर उनको गाना पसंद नहीं है तो आई कैन see on his face right away for example वो जो मजा है अरे यार there were two ways of doing it ये लाइट बड़ा हो वो कम करो खैर मूविंग ऑन अगले जो पोएट है वो वाकई पोएट थे he was not a lyricist he was a poet what's the difference तो लिरिसिस्ट यानी पिक्चर के लिए जो लिखने वाले हैं ये नहीं कि वो बुरे होते हैं ये बहुत टैलेंटेड होते हैं लेकिन वो पिक्चर के सिचुएशन के वगैरह जो लिखते हैं दैट इज अ लिरिसिस्ट राइट पोएट्स आर फ्री फ्लोइंग पीपल राइट दे राइट पोएट्री तो ये जो थे ये बहुत ही बड़े पोएट थे अभी इट्स लिटिल मिसिंग दिस वाज अ गाय हु रोड फ्रॉम सहगल टू शाहरुख खान अरे क्या आप बहुत होमवर्क करके आए हैं आपने भी ये बात गूगल पे पढ़ी है चलो ऐसा ब्रिंग अप समथिंग ओवर देयर व्हिच जो इंटरनेट पे अवेलेबल नहीं हो शायद अरे क्या बात है नहीं this is Ajur Sultanpuri so the first song which she sang which actually became very very famous was on KL Sahib वो गाना था अरे क्या बात है जी आपको अभी बोलना बंद है जी के जोरदार तालियां please it's for the audience like this that we live and breathe and she's I mean I think she's probably hit at least majority of her shows not all of them and she's incredible to know her audience में तो great टेंशन है अब क्या पूछूं इनको कि जो तो आप बात नहीं करेंगे नहीं प्लीज so this was जब दिल्ली टूट गया हम जी के क्या करेंगे that was Ajur Sultanpuri song but he was also a very accomplished Urdu poet himself interestingly enough he wrote some pretty amazingly different songs this C-A-T cat let me ask you a question do you know of any female lyricists who wrote in films we are not going to take any songs because they're not very very famous but do you know any female lyric writer Maya Govind excellent Maya Govind is definitely yeah so Maya Govind in fact was one who wrote कि कोई interesting गाना किसको पता है क्या बात है ये नीर कहाँ से बरसे ये बत्ती कहाँ से आई that is Maya Govind there was also another one which was ये भी था कि चांद जैसे मुखड़े पे बिंदिया सितारा that was also Maya Govind interestingly she was also once upon a time sort of called the second Mahadevi Verma if you've heard of Mahadevi Verma she was called the second Mahadevi Verma of the film industry and yet you know I suppose it's a sign of the times because sometimes they have to do this but she was also the one who wrote that was also written by Madhav many of you obviously most of you have heard this song लेकिन शायद आपको ये मालूम नहीं होगा कि ये गाना एक्चुअली 2 बार चलता है पहली बार जो चलता है तो लता मंगेशकर ने गाया हुआ है and obviously picture is on Suchitra Sen second time भी it is pictured in Suchitra Sen with the younger Suchitra Sen and that time the voice is not Lata Mangeshkar anybody know who the second voice was Suman Kalyanpur so that's right absolutely so Suman Kalyanpur was the second voice so interestingly the treatment again and this is where it starts getting interesting for us it's when different singers come in they have a different treatment to the way they sing the song so the second part of it had Suman Kalyanpur and Mohammad Rafi singing their section the last so what we're going to do is we're going to sing the song in the first 2 stanzas will be the original Lata Mangeshkar song that you all know and the last stanza will be the different versions thank you ये बात थोड़े इस तरफ के लोग भी आप भी तो देखना पड़ता है just नहीं तो यार थोड़ा इस पिक्चर में काफी बार डायलॉग होता है मालूम होता है कि बहुत गहरी चोट खाई है तो वैसे साहिल लुधियानवी साहब के लिरिक्स में बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वर्क होता है when you think of a song do you think of the words or do you think of the music Words? Okay, so those who you said words, and my contention is to me, to most of us, the song is the tune, melody, and I'll so let's just do one thing. Let me just ask you मैं एक गाना गाऊंगा, आप just बताइए who sang the original song, ठीक है? तो मेरा आवाज किसी की तरह नहीं, it doesn't sound like anybody. So you just have to guess, right? So like you have one second. तस्वीर से बिगड़ी हुई तस्वीर बना. गलत मैं बोल. Do you realize which song I just sang? I said the one which has exactly. I think the first trivia award goes to somebody sitting over there who said, "Hey, वो जो गाना, रे लगा, चुप 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 चुप." बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 रुक. See the meter of the song also is just going like a train. फुलाए छाती पार कर जाती भालू रेत आलू के खेत बाजार धाम बुढ़ा किसान हरा मैदान मंदिर मकान चाय की दुकान फूल पकड़न की पीली सी ठंडी पानी की बूंद पंछी के झुंड झोपड़ी छाई खेती बाड़ी बादल धुआं मोट कुआं कुएं के पीछे बाग बगीचे धोबी का मंगल क्या गाँव में मेला भीड़ जमेला टूटी दीवार टट्टू सभा. ऐसे स्टेटमेंट्स हैं, जैसे एक बार सपोजिटली वो लक्ष्मीकांत जी के घर पे बैठे थे और बोले अच्छा तो हम चलते हैं, और लक्ष्मीकांत साहब ने कहा अरे इसमें तो गाना हो सकता है. तो बोले फिर कब मिलोगे? जब तुम कहोगे यार. तो जुमेरात हाँ यार आधी रात को. दैट जस्ट द वे द सॉन्ग काइंड ऑफ डेवलप्ड. तो दिस इज वन ऑफ दोस सॉन्ग. वैसे उन्होंने आर्मी एक बार लक्ष्मीकांत जी के घर भी गए थे, नया घर बना था, तो कहते हैं कि यार अगर हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो जाओ चाबी निकल खो जाए तो क्या होगा? बोले यार ये गाना बन सकता है. तो हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो also आनंद बख्शी. Anand Bakshi also wrote a lot of these kind of songs which basically what I call the alliterative effect, you know. मैं तुझको जान लूं तू मुझको जान ले, मैंने ये कहा तूने वापस किया. That kind of thing, the lots of those kind of things. Anand Bakshi, if you see the number of songs which have got that, it's quite a lot. So basically, life will become very easier. Great lyricist, right? Because thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Thank you for the ones more also. लेकिन ये गाड़ी सिर्फ आगे चलती है. And it was of course कैफे आजमी जब तक मैंने पूछा नहीं था, क्योंकि ये सारा आपको सब मालूम हो गया. कुछ कॉमन नॉलेज है, नहीं तो सबको पता है. बच्चों को पूछो तुमको भी पता है, तो इससे पूछना क्या आपको है ना. बाकी कुंडली भी बताई दो आपको. एक ऐसा करते हैं, ये जो है ये बड़े दिन से आपके लिए लोग वेट कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू. लेकिन अब तो बंद कीजिए. और दूसरा स्टीरियो इफेक्ट यहाँ पे है. नेक्स्ट पोएट is the son of another poet who is a son-in-law of another poet who is the husband of an actress who is the father of a director and an actor. Oh my God, why does he have to work? खैर काफी गाने उनके आई डोंट एग्री विद द सेंटिमेंट ऐसे वाले थे जैसे कि कोई जब तुम्हारा हृदय तोड़ देगा तड़पता हुआ जब छोड़ तब मेरे पास आना. जब तुम बुढ़ी हो जाएगी तो तुमको कोई नहीं देगा तब मेरे पास आना. कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं बॉस, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो ऐसे जो सेंटिमेंट वाले गाने होते हैं कभी कभी मुझे बहुत तकलीफ देते हैं. जैसे कि तुम अगर मुझको ना चाहो तो कोई बात नहीं, तुम किसी और को चाहो तो मुश्किल हो जाएगा. So कोई पोएट्री इज सच स्ट्रेंज, यू नो. और फिर जैसे दूसरी तो कुछ पोएट्री जैसे कि बहुत एकदम लाचारी. तुम गगन के चंद्रमा हो मैं धरा की. अरे यार मैं कुछ भी नहीं. तुम क्षमा में भूल हूं, अरे बाप रे, ये भी कोई वर्ड्स है। तो ऐसे heavy वर्ड्स लेके कुछ फालतू में needlessly तरह कुछ लोग to make poetic thing actually take a lot of money for administration. Urban Foundation passes on 100% of the contribution that you do to the charity. That's absolutely unique. So, and we are extremely happy. But this particular gentleman wrote, पहले उनके थोड़े से flop गाने बता दो। Nisha, that was him. ये गाना सुना? हाँ, जाने जा was this particular guy. थोड़ा सा मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी. Alright, let me just make it easier. This guy took on a name which was not from a place. It was not really a takallus. It was something which he was called that, not something that he took on as a name. लोगों ने कहा कि यार ये तो पागल है, उसका एक और एक शब्द. Yeah. Uncle, thank you. आपके लिए this was waiting for you.
8, 5, 1, 8, 3. All right there.
Check his number, I don't care.
We have Rasoi 3 and Edible Arrangements gift cards for this prize. The numbers are, for the red ticket, 2, 0,
Thank you for coming for the show, but you don't realize how important it is for little artists like myself, and Ajita is a big artist, but for us to have such a wonderful crowd in front of us. कभी-कभी तालियां भी बजाते थे, तो it was good, it was good. और कभी